Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. It is cold here in the Inland Empire, the IE. The high today is going to be like 50 degrees, so it's going to be chilly for us SoCal people. I know some of you guys in the East Coast, man, you guys can deal with super low temperatures, and it's probably super freezing there as well. But today it's going to be nice and sunny, no rain. Today and the next and tomorrow will be sunnier, and the rain will come back in the weekend. But if you check that mountain out back there, you see that mountain back there? Right through those trees, right through these trees right here. That is full of snow, and usually it's not really full of snow. And you can see that whole peak is covered, and snow levels came down to like 2,900 feet in some areas, and it was raining, so everybody got a little bit of snow this week. But today we're gonna try to take the air idle controller valve out of this one off the bottom of the throttle body, take it apart, clean it. Since I wasn't able to find one that actually fit this motor, nothing actually said for this exact model. I even put the VIN number into Rock Auto, they didn't have it. I put it into Toyo DIY to check to see if they had it as well, and they didn't have it either. So I'm just gonna take it apart and clean it up and see if we can do something to get it to free up and or have the car idle better. We'll get into that and see how it goes. Alright, so got it out, and I think this is the air idle controller, which is weird because it's electronic. Oh man, they all have electronics in them, but I'm assuming since it's probably drive-by-wire, this is the air idle controller here. The 3 outlets, the coolant outlets here, and then I'll probably just clean the throttle body. I was hoping that I would be able to pull this out, but I can't because these are rivets. Maybe I could drill out the... Maybe I could drill it out. No, I have no idea. I'm just gonna try to clean these out. Try to blow it out. I don't know. Probably not gonna do much. I think my mom might need a whole new throttle body. We'll see. Alright guys, so I cleaned the throttle body, I checked the vacuum lines, checked that idle controller as much as I could, but it's integrated, so I'm not going to be able to like pull it apart as I thought I would. I think if it doesn't fix the issue, then we're going to have to get a whole new throttle body. But dang, we've spent so much money on this thing. The next thing today is I'm gonna fix these clips. I got these off of a Celica GTS, or just Celicas, the 01 Celicas, and they fit perfectly. These are not fragile. I don't know why the Camry ones are so crappy, but these ones, man, you could put a lot of pressure on this end clip here. and nothing seems to happen. I mean, they're durable. So I'll show you guys how I depin these and how we replace them. Because at the moment, they can just slip off and on as they please. It seems to be idling alright, but I don't trust it. I'll update you in a little bit. Alright guys, so this is how you depin these cop plugs. You see this little white piece here, this little light piece here. All you have to do is take a flat, kind of go into the back of it, and then pop it off like that. This piece comes off, and if you look inside, you'll be able to see those clips down there, and that's where you're gonna pull off inside here. There you go. The little highlighted areas right under the ports. Push those down, stick something in between there, push those down, and have somebody help you pull them out. And this is my sister helping me. Here, start from this side. Pick them out like that. And then I'll just stick it in here, push down. Oh, hold on. Push down. Okay. And it just comes straight out. Hold on. That's it. There goes your little clip assembly. Those are the pieces. Those middle pieces right there are what you push away from the clip. Oh, you'll probably be able to see better now. Yeah, those 4 middle pieces. Just push it in and then down. In, down, and then pass on, pull out. And then I've already done 4 of them right here. So we're gonna go install it into the Camry. Yo. Just keep track of your wires because it matters.
Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers? Fingers. Fingers down my spine. Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers? Fingers. Fingers down my spine. Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down my spine? Girl, you look mighty fine. Won't you rub your fingers down